to Moxie Toys!
Today we are going to be playing with Blue's Clues and Blippi! Look at this Blue's Clues and You collectible figure set. Let's unbox it. Let's look at all the figures we're going to get. It looks like we get a little Blue, Josh, Magenta, Shovel, and Pail. Let's open it. Okay, we've got Shovel and Pail, Blue, Josh, and Magenta. Let's take them out. It's Shovel and Pail. It's Blue. Ruff, ruff. She's so cute. Hi, Josh. Hi. I can't wait to search for Blue's Clues. And here is Magenta. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hi, Magenta. Ruff, ruff. There we go. We have the Blue's Clues collectible figure set. And here is our friend Blippi. Hello, it's me, Blippi. I've never played Blue's Clues before. Josh and Blippi are going to play Blue's Clues together. But we have a little bit of a twist on the game today. We are going to do a little bit of a shell game.
Cool.
Ooh, a shell game? What does that mean? Okay, it's time to show you the shell game. These will be our shells. What do you think, Magenta? Ruff, 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 ruff. What do you think, Blue? Ruff, 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 ruff. Okay, we are going to start with one of our Blue's Clues prizes. It's a Blue's Clues and You collectible figure, Series 1 from Nickelodeon. I wonder what's in here. We're not going to find out yet because we're going to play a little shell game. You can see that I'm putting it under this shell. These shells are empty. Now do you know where it is? I want to guess. Okay, Blippi, where do you think it is? I think it's in the middle. Let's go look. Let's see if Blippi's right. It's not there. It wasn't in the middle, Blippi. How about another guess? Maybe it's in this one. It's not there either. It's gotta be right here. We found it! Yay! I just played Blue's Clues. Now we can open it. It is so sparkly. It's one of Blue's paw prints. It's one of Blue's paw prints. It's a Blue's Clues minifigure. Let's see which one we get. Oh! We get Mailbox. Mailbox is so cute. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Yay! Very cool. I like this little mailbox. Inside, we see all the figures that we could get. Playful Blue, Magenta. Cool, we got the mailbox. These are very cool.
Cool.
Josh and Magenta would like a turn. Since we just found a Blue's Clues toy with Blippi, let's find a Blippi toy with Josh and Magenta. Ruff, 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 ruff. We're going to find a Blippi Ball Pit Surprise. Blue, would you like to find the Blippi Ball Pit Surprise? Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Blue thinks it's here. You're right, Blue! Hooray! Blue found the Blippi Ball Pit Surprise. I love my Blippi Ball Pit Surprises. I can't wait to see which one you're going to get. There's going to be a little me in there. Let's open it. Whoa. Oh, we get a little block. And we get a little Blippi figure. This little Blippi figure looks like he's holding a little cute stuffed animal. I wonder which Blippi this is. He's kind of making a surprised face. Let's see if we can figure it out. Here we see the Blippi Ball Pit Surprises we could get. And we have E is for elephant. So our Blippi is holding a little elephant. And it looks like our block has an E on it. E is for elephant. E is for elephant Blippi. Now it's time for another Blue's Clues toy. And this time I think Josh should find it. Yay! I love playing Blue's Clues with my dog Blue. And I'm going to love finding this mystery figure. Wow, they are really mixed up. I don't know where the mystery figure is. Let's try this one. Not there. Yay, we found it. Let's open this Blue's Clues and You mystery figure. Here it is. Very sparkly. Oh, let's see, who is this little character? Oh, let's check our list and we got Paprika. Hi, I'm Paprika. Oh, very cool. We have one surprise left. Another Blippi Ball Pit Surprise. Let's hide it. Blippi and Mini Blippi are going to find the second Ball Pit Surprise. I'm so excited! I was watching very carefully, and I think it's in the middle. It's in the middle! Hooray! Yay, we found it! Let's open it. Oh, it looks like we got the B is for boat box. So let's just cut Blippi out of it. It is a little sailor Blippi with a little toy boat. It's the B is for boat box. So these are our two mystery Blippi figures. B is for boat and E is for elephant Blippi. Yay! And our surprise Blue's Clues figures are Mailbox and Paprika. And we unboxed these adorable blue and magenta characters, as well as Josh and Pail and Shovel. Yay! They are all adorable figures and they're so cute and fun to play with. Look at our collection. I can't wait to get more Blue's Clues figures. They are very cute. And the Mailbox and Paprika really go with the set very nicely. Very fun. Thank you, Blippi and Josh, for helping me play a game to find Blue's Clues and Blippi toys. You're welcome. That was fun working together. See you later, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page for more fun activities and giveaways.